Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in again. So we are starting on a new project. This one's for all you Chevy fans out there. We're going to build a 68 Camaro Z28. Yes sir, smell the success already. So yeah, pretty cool car. A while back I had a guy, talking to him. He says, hey Craig, he says, I don't see any Camaros in your stash. I says, that's right, there isn't. Kind of a Mustang guy, just the way it is. But I do like the Camaro, this body style. Everybody likes this body style. I actually like them all the way up through the years, except for the last generation. I don't know what gen that is. The last years I liked would probably been about the 87 IROC Z. I thought that was a sweet looking car. So anyways, we're going to start on this kit here. The AMT 68 Camaro Z28. Not red in color for me. I'm probably going to do it in black. And I'm going to probably do a stock build. I'm not going to put the Velocity stacks on it. Are they cool? Absolutely. But I'm not going to do it because I see a lot of guys get the spun aluminum ones, like the aftermarket ones. Those are cool looking. But to do these in the plastic, I'd almost have to strip them down and, just paint them normal. That's probably what would have to happen. But anyways, yeah, just a cool car. I mean, I would take one if somebody was giving me one. Absolutely. But like I say, I'm going to do this in black. I love this car in black. I think it looks sweet as can be with some black interior. And we're going to run the factory rallies on it. Just kind of like, was that movie Better Off Dead with John Cusack. Remember they're pulling the car out of the garage and they got, what was that song playing? Manish Boy by Muddy Waters. And I thought, dude, that's such a cool car. What a good theme, like as they're pulling out of the garage. I thought, that's cool. Go watch the movie and check that part out. You'll be like, oh yeah, hey, you're right, Greg. That was pretty cool. Anyways, this is what we're going to start on next. And I did an open box on this here a while back, a few videos back. And like I said, it looks like a pretty cool kit. Like I said before, I don't know if this is a newer release or I'm sure it's an older kit, just repackaged. It's usually how they do it, that kind of thing. But like I said, I'm going to do black on black, I'm thinking, and rallies on it with stock rallies. And I think that look pretty good. No striping, no nothing like that. I'm just going to leave it just on the black. Now, if the decals are flat black, I'd be all about that. But I don't know if they are or not. Either way, we're going to go gloss. Do a nice clear on it. Make it really glossy. You go that route. So we got the little Daytona done last video. So turned out pretty good. I just got to find a place to park it. It's just sitting on the bench chilling out. So yeah, it was a toss-up between this or I got a 65 GTO model. And I really thought about doing that. Because I had this willow green paint. Hold on, let me grab this because it's a cool looking color. Yes. It's an MCW lacquer. It is a willow green metallic gloss lacquer. And this stuff it's a cool looking color. Back when my brother and I were first starting driving, he had a 69 Biscayne 2-door with a 256 with a power glide. And we had some KREG'S mags on it, fatties on it with some Eagle GT tires on it, some low pros. It actually looked pretty cool. So check this color out. Anyways, this was the color of that car. I believe this color is actually a Chrysler color, I believe, because that's what was on the car. Because we bought the paint from a Napa store in Marlette. And it was the guy had it mixed, he never picked it up. So my dad's like, yeah, we'll take it, So this is the color ended up, and it turned out really, really sweet. And I would love to get one of those models. I know they don't make a 69 Biscayne, not that I know of anyways, but I do know the guys over at MCW, they make a resin kit. So one day I might loosen up the purse strings and might purchase it, and then you got to buy, I think, another kit to use it for a donor to get some of the other parts of it. Not 100% on that one, but yeah, cool color. I would love to get that kit and do it in this. So I might have to get me some more gloss black to do this model. I think it looked pretty sweet. So yeah. So anyways, like I say, that's gonna be the next project. So hopefully we get started out within the next week here. As the week goes along, I get on it. We'll see how it goes. Depending on what I got here for paint supplies, and we'll run with that. So other than that, I'm just doing a quick short video just to show you what we're doing, what we got going on. Yeah. So I'm going to wrap this up, and we will see you guys next time around. And hopefully next video we will have some color on this Camaro, and we'll go from there. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. You guys like the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I want to thank everybody that has subscribed. I really appreciate it. Really do, guys. It means a lot to me. Just like long lost friends, you know. So anyways, we'll talk to you later. You guys have a good one.